Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two cryptocurrency tools or trading tools. First one is CoinGecko and the second one is infamous Binance. So we will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products, and in the end we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start with CoinGecko. Operating since 2014, CoinGecko is one of the go-to sites for live crypto pricing listings. Alongside this, CoinGecko welcomes new crypto users to the community with educational material, yield gain calculations, and interactive giveaways. When first landing on CoinGecko, Bitcoin defaults as the top cryptocurrency with the largest market cap and network. However, there are thousands of coins out there to discover. Without the correct tools to refine your search, sifting through the projects after project can be tiresome. That's why CoinGecko has categorized all the different characteristics of tokens to allow users to see a wealth of different data points and information relating to the crypto markets. So, the educational part on CoinGecko starts in this little jar on the top right corner of your screen where you can collect the candies. The second day I log in, I get plus 20, third day 30, and so on and so on. Next is in 14 hours. Now we can check the rewards, and for the candies you can buy How to DeFi book, for example, and it will basically show you how to DeFi. You can get a bundle, you can go advanced, or for beginners then you can get a How to Bitcoin book, or 10% of $10 of CoinGecko swags, of $5 of Alipol Titan Cold wallet. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the educational part, which I really like. And as you can see, the main cryptocurrency prices starts with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Tether, and so on. You have the price, where are they now? 1 hour estimate, 24 hour, 7 days, minus 11%, but with Bitcoin, you kind of expect that. And also the life cycle past 7 days. We can check it out on something not that mainstream, and that's SNX. And you see here the market caps, 24-hour trading volume, fully diluted valuation, where the website also contract, where you can add to MetaMask or just copy it. And also very nice part is the market. On the market you see that it's really popular among cryptocurrency world. You can basically check everything in here. You can go by a price, upwards, downwards, also the spread. And as you can see, it's really out there. So you can almost buy it in every country possible. Now to the Binance. Binance at the moment, as you could probably thought or probably heard, it's banned in the US, so it's kinda iffy. But the best thing about Binance is, other than things that CoinGecko provides, their fees are really low, and you can really make money in here. The problem is if you're in US, and I heard that there also are some prosecution in UK as well, you can have a bad time working with Binance. Other than that, Binance is very complex, and if you're a beginner, I don't recommend you going through the Binance because it's just too much of everything. It's overwhelming. We can check the markets where you can buy different coins, but it works pretty much as every single crypto tool that you come along. Also trade, you can convert, advance, margin, P2P, derivatives, finance, and NFT, which is growing by day. So if you want to really invest into, let's call it art, there is a way on Binance NFT. But we covered that in a previous video, how the NFTs works, the best marketplaces, and so on and so on. So if you have more questions about these two, please leave them in the comments. As I said before, if you are starting the crypto world, CoinGecko is perfect option for you. And if you're more advanced and you are not from US or UK at the moment, Binance is a really nice option just to check it out. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.